Baron Corbin has officially parted ways with WWE. His release, along with those of Indy Hartwell and Tegan Knox, was initially announced on November 1st. Recently, an update on Corbin's status emerged, along with a statement from the multi-time champion addressing his departure and future plans. Now a free agent, Corbin's WWE contract was confirmed in November not to be renewed, ending his 12-year tenure with the company. As of today, his 2-month non-compete clause has expired, allowing him to sign with any promotion. Corbin addressed the situation on X, formerly Twitter, confirming details of his WWE exit and the notice he received on November 1st. The 40-year-old also hinted at exploring opportunities in Hollywood and expressed excitement about his free agency heading into 2025. Corbin tweeted, "I'm officially no longer under contract since I was not fired. I was told they were not extending, so if you're making a horror movie, let me know, ha 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 ha. New year, no contract, let's see what we can create." Corbin's last match took place on October 18th at a SmackDown taping, where he defeated Giovanni Vinci in a dark match. 2 weeks earlier, he teamed with Apollo Crews to defeat Los Garza in another untelevised bout. The former United States champion has reportedly drawn significant interest from independent promotions.